All right, fifth grade. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding volume using displacement. Now, you can find volume of objects by using a mathematical equation, but sometimes you cannot because of the shape being irregular. So we are going to, you're going to find your finding volume using displacement worksheet in your packet. And what we're going to do first is we are going to write the object, and then you're going to write the estimated volume. So as we do this, make sure that you write this. So the first thing you're going to write is going to be a marker. So here's the marker that we're going to be figuring out what the volume is of this. So you want to go ahead and put marker, and then you want to estimate, if I were to drop this marker into this graduated cylinder, what would be the volume? Now we are measuring it in milliliters. And the reason why this is such a big graduated cylinder is so that I can make sure that I can put all of the objects in there. So don't worry that it says, oh, it's going to be like in the hundreds of a milliliter. It probably will not. So go ahead and just estimate what you think the volume will be of that. The second object you may go ahead and put is going to be, this is a play plastic kind of nail or screw from my kiddos. Sorry, Robert is here. And so go ahead and you can just put like a play nail or something. And so then go ahead and put what you think the estimated volume of this will. Remember, you're putting it in milliliters. The third object that you are going to estimate the volume is going to be this little play car. It is a mini car, so just know that it is a mini one. So just go ahead and put mini car and put what you guys think the volume would be of that. Then we are going to use a glue stick. It is not a fat one. It is one of the skinnier ones, like the normal one that you guys would normally see, but go ahead and put a glue stick and then estimate what you think the volume will be in milliliters. The next object is going to be a bottle of hand sanitizer. And it does not matter that it is full. Sorry guys, I needed to put it down. It doesn't matter that it is full because we're just wanting to know what is the volume of the object, okay? And if you're like, oh, well, I could put that 60 milliliters. Well, I don't know. We could check that out, but that's just telling me how much liquid is in there, okay? So go ahead and put what you guys think is your estimation for that. And then the last object is going to be just an eraser. Okay, it's one of our normal pink erasers, so go ahead and put what you guys think the volume of that will be. All right. Then what you guys can do right now is, before we move on and start solving this, is that you guys in the next column over where you have estimated your volume, you can go ahead and put your starting volume. And if you notice on the graduated cylinder, we all are starting at that 300 milliliters. So on each of those areas, or each of the columns where it says starting volume, you can put 300 ml, 300 ml, 300 ml, because it's always going to be 300 ml is what we're always going to start that volume of in my graduated cylinder. Sorry, the dog just came downstairs. So go ahead and make sure you have this filled out, and then we are going to figure out what the volume of each of these objects are.